Welcome to another episode of fly fishing in Mongolia, everyone. Isn't the scenery just stunning? So incredibly beautiful. Here you see the two vehicles that we are in, making our way to the river. The fishing season in Mongolia starts from summer in mid-June right through to winter. It can, however, get really cold from October onwards. The winter months here are some of the harshest on the planet, with temperatures often as low as minus 34 degrees Celsius. Fishing is prohibited in the spring months, that is also the spawning season. And then it all starts again from mid-June. Wait for it.
Oh yeah, one small one. Yeah,
you see the two taimen swimming in the crystal clear water. There they go. What a breathtaking sight. That's Slim on a fish, and this is Hua Hee on another fish. The rivers here are just beautiful. They're not too wide, and it's a lot of sight fishing with dry flies. This is Hua Hee releasing a taimen.
Oh yeah.
Well done, Otto. Seen here with his first taimen, caught on a very shallow stretch of river. Nice catch.
Yeah. Well done. Thank you.
Taimen are the largest salmonids in the world. They can grow to nearly 2 meters long and weigh more than 30 kg. That's our lunch, cooked by the crew right next to the river that day. Hot, nice and delicious. And then it's right back to fishing. There's a lot of trout here to be caught when the conditions are right, just like what you see here. That's the end of another day. And after dinner we sat in front of the wood fire. During summertime, the nighttime temperatures are usually somewhere between 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Every morning you'll be served a delicious breakfast with hot coffee and tea to prepare you for another day of fishing. That's another wonderful stretch of river. I've caught plenty of fish here. Fish ranging from Lenok trout to trout and also taimen. Beautiful. Because the water is so clear, the fish can see you easily as well, so it can help to be a bit stealthy at times. That's an trout. Very beautiful fish. Some say they are like the brown trout. Some of the Lenok we catch are kept and cooked by the river for lunch. There's something about eating freshly caught fish cooked on firewood, surrounded by cool, fresh air and stunning scenery. On this day we were catching fish after fish on dry and emerger flies such as the clinghammer. sometime around 7 in the evening now, and we are making our way across the field, close to calling it a day. Check out this sunset, man. Look at it. Check it out. Check out the sunset. Check out our dinner. Looks like a restaurant hotel, but